Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. More than 9,000 California residents were under evacuation orders as a new atmospheric river brought heavy rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds, swelling rivers and creeks and flooding several major highways and small rural communities. There were also flash floods in Kernville, another foothill town in Kern County. Officials said there were no injuries reported or calls for rescue by Sunday afternoon, but that the river, known to locals as Killer Kern, continued to rise. In Central California, the Three River overflowed its banks and flooded several homes. Videos posted on social media showed a handful of homes and cars under a few feet of water and at least one road washed out by the rushing river in Springville. In Santa Cruz County, a creek bloated by rain destroyed a portion of Main Street in Soquel, a town of 10,000 people, isolating several neighborhoods. Evacuations were ordered in nearby Watsonville, where creek water spilled over and filled roadways with several feet of water, threatening dozens of homes with flooding. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.